Okay, guys, we'll be here today. I am in Beijing, China. The current time is 9:52. In 8 minutes, 10 o'clock, the entire country of China will mourn for the people who died from the coronavirus. And I will see you guys there in 8 minutes. So right now it is 9:53, and I just thought I should talk about what'll happen. Alarms will go off, like those emergency airstrike stuff alarms. All flags are at half height right now, and yeah, ETS2 over there. And yeah, everyone should stay quiet, but I don't think they'll be able to actually do that for 1.5 like 1.5 billion people. I don't think they'll be able to force everyone. But yeah. That's the case. It'll happen in just 6 minutes. And yeah. It's going to be really interesting. I wonder if there's any other video footage that's going to be on the internet. Like, yeah, we'll see. So, the camera is pointing at my door. It is 9:56, and I thought we should talk about some coronavirus stuff, because it's a much bigger problem now. Stay at home. That's really what everyone's saying, but it's true advice. There's a lot you can do at home, believe me. Uber Eats, you might want to get used to that. And, yeah. Everyone should there's not much you can say about coronavirus. Wash your hands. If you feel sick, go to the hospital. Like, seriously, it is 9:57. This is, the last time this happened was in 2008, when there was a huge earthquake in Sichuan. This time, well, I guess it's a bit worse, but anyways, I think I'm gonna stay quiet. I'm just gonna let you guys just hear it and just see what's going on. I'll have the door open, and yeah, this is insane, because this is the first time that this has happened in almost 12 years, and I feel like this hasn't happened. This has happened for less than 10 times ever since the PRC was even a thing. And yeah, it is 9:58. I think I'll just leave it open right now. It is now officially 9:59 a.m. April 4th. Get ready. This is gonna be insane. It could happen any moment now. Hear that? It's happening. 那个稳定器。It's pretty much over now. Over a seventh of the world population just heard that. 3 minutes of just that sound. Crazy. Back inside. It is 10:05. A billion people just heard that. One being me. You guys will see this on YouTube. I don't know if this is against the law, but I didn't say a single word. And, well, I paid my respects. And, yeah. Hope everything is okay. Future people who see this, what happened to the coronavirus? Like, seriously? Anyways, that pretty much rounds up today's video. Just kind of having a record of the, proof that this happened. Hopefully they even caught the sound, because I swear it was tiny from where I was. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.